Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you could be notified every time I'm on YouTube.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pooja. I'm doing a makeup tutorial after really long time. Few of you have requested me to do a makeup tutorial using less products. So this time I'm using only 5 products to create this look. So before moving forward, please subscribe to my channel and hit on that bell button so that you would be notified every time I upload a new video. My first product is a foundation. I'm using CLINIQUE because of its really nice coverage. You can go for any foundation. I'll apply it all over my face, cheeks, forehead, neck and blend it through. To cover my under eye dark circles, I need something which is little thick in consistency as compared to foundation. Therefore, I'm going to mix my foundation with some compact powder. I'm going to scratch little bit of compact and mix it with my foundation and dab it around my under eye area. After this, I'll quickly seal my foundation and concealer using my compact. Now here comes the star product. You must have seen this product in my previous video. So here I'm using contour and highlighter to do my eyes. With contour, I'll define my crease. I'll start from the outer corner and blend it halfway through the eyelids. I'll keep blending the color to make it look softer. Next, I'll take highlighter and apply it to the center of my eyelids to make the eyes pop. I'll start with the inner corner and go all the way to the outer corner. Here I'll again take my fluffy brush to blend both the colors together and take some highlighter to highlight the inner corners of the eyes and brow bones too. So to do my eyeliner, I'm going to use mascara. I'll take a little amount on my eyeliner brush and apply it on both my eyelids. So next I'll apply mascara on my upper and lower lashes. By the way, I like to apply mascara even if I'm not wearing full makeup. So from the same 3-in-1 palette, I'll use contour shade and start contouring area below my cheekbones on right and left side of my forehead, along left and right side of my nose and along jawlines. Here, smile a little and swipe through some pink on the apple of your cheeks. And here comes the favorite part, to add a little something extra. Apply some highlighter around your cheekbones, on the tip of your nose, over your cupid's bow and around the temple. Now final step is to color your lips with your favorite lipstick. I'll start at the center of the upper lip and move outward towards the corner. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching and it helped you a little. Now it's time to go. Bye bye.